Hey, welcome to Tech with Mannat. Nowadays, everyone wants to make money online, but not everyone gets good information and many people get cheated. Today, I am telling you about an international website which is 100% true and you can also search it online. Studypool is an amazing website. Just type in your Google Chrome, Studypool, and then sign in with your Google or Facebook or LinkedIn ID. Here you can see the top earners who are earning good money from this website. It's very easy to earn from this website, whether it is adult, child or elderly, everyone can easily earn from here. You will just scan and upload your all documents, books or papers. You will earn as soon as people give you views. You can easily send your documents here by PDF or zip folder. Now I will show you by sending the file here. You can see how easy it is. Just take out your prepared file and attach. You can see my file has been sent but still in pending. When my file is accepted, it will appearing in the list. Then I will also earn from this website. You can make any kind of documents in any language and send here. As people will give you views, you can earn from here. Don't ignore this website. At the very least, if you are new, you can earn up to $1,000. But gradually, as you gain experience, your earning will increase. If you really like this information, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more informations. You must share this website with your loved ones so that everyone can get benefit from it. Its withdrawal is also very easy. You can withdraw your money by PayPal, Cash, EasyPesa, Western Union or through your bank. Don't forget me in your prayers. Wait for my new video. Take care. Bye bye.